Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you a video tour of this Pleasureway Plateau XLTD. One of the only ones in the country. This has got the new 2019 Mercedes chassis built on it. It is a beautiful motorhome. Just absolutely, the fit and finish in there is second to none. We've got just total amenities all throughout. Can't wait to show you. So let's take a look. We've got the LED headlamps here on the new Mercedes chassis. Let's take a look. We have the Fiamma power lighted awning here. That's going to be a real durable, very nice awning to work with. And we're going to have the power step down below here. And we're going to have little compartments all throughout for storage. You can get in here. And you can just see the quality here. I mean, this is a heavy door. It's not just cheap plastic or fiberglass or anything like that. Interior here is all very well done. The Pleasureway's biggest thing is quality control and just giving you a reliable coach from start to finish. And that's really what we've seen here. So just kind of shut that door here. There's going to be a propane line here if you want to connect a gas grill. There is going to be 2 outside outlets. We've got dual wheels in the back with the Alcoa aluminum rims. We'll have a little bit more storage back here. And on the back here, we'll have our backup camera. All frameless windows as well. And they do pressure test all the windows and water test them, so everything's watertight. There's no screw holes on the outside here at all. It's really a clean look from start to finish. This one will be able to tow 4,200 pounds. It does have a 7-pin wire in the back there. On the side here, this is going to be our exhaust for our Truma hot water system. And there's going to be a recirculating pump, so you're never gonna, when you turn the hot water on, it's not like you have to let it run to waste all of that fresh water. And basically it's going to give you hot water truly instantly, and it also won't deviate in temperature. Some instant hot water heaters are really going to vary quite dramatically in terms of temperature. The Truma system is going to be great from start to finish. We'll have our outside shower here. Utility center. This is pretty cool. We're going to be able to turn our LP gas on and off just with a switch out here. We'll have our 30 amp shore power connection. City water connection down below. And we'll have our Awning generator down below here. And we'll get into that a little bit more later. And it does have an auto start feature, so if you're running the air conditioner or running something off the batteries and you want the generator to automatically start, it has that capabilities. So let's take a quick walk around and check out the coach from the inside. Really cool new headlamps there for sure. Definitely a sharp looking coach. And then as we walk in, we're going to have the white chocolate high gloss cabinetry in here. So just a beautiful look here. The lighting too really catch it. I really love the lighting. They sort of have this sort of frost over it, so it's not super bright or super harsh, and it really accents with that high gloss really well. So it just looks absolutely phenomenal with the specialty lighting they put in here. You know, there's no screws, no staples anywhere in here. I mean, if you look at the quality, it is just, you know, second to none. I mean, you can feel this. I mean, you can't move that an inch. So it's going to be one of the quietest coaches, or the quietest coach that you'd ever own, as really there's not going to be any squeaks or rattles anywhere throughout. Some of the tech specs, it's got this particular one anyway. It's going to have 475 watts of solar on the roof, and it also has the 2 lithium-ion batteries, so you will have 200 amp hours of lithium-ion power. There is an inverter on board too, so you can use 110 appliances with that. And we'll have our all Corian backsplash here. Pull-out faucet, stainless steel sink underneath here, and we will have our recessed 2-burner stove. We'll have our convection microwave down below here. Walking through, we're going to get to our nice big refrigerator and freezer, and that'll work on propane or electricity. So if you are dry camping, there's 40 pounds of propane on board here. You'll be able to run that refrigerator, you know, almost indefinitely. We'll have a Blu-ray player that hooks into the TV, and our inverter control is going to be right here. Our Truma hot water heater control is going to be right up here. It also has an automatic locking in wine guard antenna, so it actually moves on the top there. It looks like a sort of a satellite dish on the roof, but you sort of search for the best signal, and it actually moves around and sort of locks in place to give you the very best signal no matter where you are, which is really, really cool. And let's take a look. And you also have the Lagoon table back here. This is going to swivel in really any position you could possibly think of. So you can go up, you can go sideways, you can go any which way with it, and it's really going to be a nice table. I've seen lots of other, we've already seen lots of other RV owners see if they can get that installed in their RVs. But it is special to Pleasureway. And we will have some storage underneath the bed here, and we will have the slow close door latch. Very, very nice. Very sophisticated look to everything. You can tell they, you know, really took their time, built everything right, and everything just feels just perfect in terms of fit and finish. We're going to have memory foam built right in here, and it's going to have a nice breathable leather as well. It's going to be easy to clean, great for pets, but very, very comfortable. Just sort of forms to you. Absolutely comfortable fabric. So plenty of storage all throughout here. We'll have a few little places for maybe a CPAP machine, or, you know, sort of knickknacks or anything you might want. And then we also have 2 of these monitor panels. Really, they're sort of a control panel. They really go through everything from lighting, you know, you can change which lights you want on, to, you know, it tells you how many amps of battery you have. It tells you what your load, how much you're using. You have the automatic generator start there as well. So if you want to run the air conditioner, or want to have it timed, or if you're running low on battery and want to automatically have the generator kick in to recharge the battery and just until it's full, you can do that. You can just turn the generator on, you can turn the vents, the furnace, air conditioner, everything, all on this wonderful screen, and you have 2 of them. The other one's going to be right by the door there, so very, very handy to have 2 of them here, and that really controls everything in your coach. And we'll have a nice Bose soundbar with an LG Smart TV here, so we'll have second to none in terms of entertainment options. You can do streaming channels or really anything you want with a hotspot. And with the new Mercedes, there is actually you can subscribe to a service. There is actually a SIM card built right in there, and you can subscribe to the Mercedes Pro service, which gives you a Wi-Fi hotspot anywhere you are, which is really kind of cool. And let's take a look more at the front of the coach. Let's take a look at this beautiful bathroom. It's got Corian backsplash all throughout, and does have a skylight above for us taller folk. and it just gives you a little bit of extra natural light. But just a beautiful bathroom with a shower here. I mean, just huge for this size, 22 foot 9 inches. You know, it's a nice short coach, but just a wonderful, wonderful bathroom. You know, we're gonna have our sink here, plenty of storage throughout. You know, we're gonna have our foot flush, shinable toilets. So just absolutely huge bathroom. Plenty of storage, plenty of lighting, just absolutely fantastic. These door latches are just phenomenal. They just sort of snap in place. Really cool to see. And we will have a little bit of extra storage up above here too. So plenty of room for gear. And over here we're going to have our solar panel charger. And we're going to have our other monitor panel. And these both will swivel around, our leather front captain's chairs. There is going to be a dinette over here with some outlets. And there will be over here as well. So there'll be tables for both of the seats and outlets as well for both of them. So if you swivel them both around, you could eat, you could work, you could play, anything you want to do there. So let's take a look at the new 2019 Mercedes. These are the ever elusive Mercedes chassis. So yes, we do have one here, and it is very, very cool. It has the active lane keeping assist, which, you know, basically just keeps you in the lane. So really,
what can I do for you?
it keeps trying to talk to me. But really it's very cool because it has the active lane keeping assist combined with the active or the adaptive cruise control. So with both of those activated, really the steering wheel moves itself, and you know, the adaptive cruise control means, for example, you don't have to put your foot on the gas or the brake at all. So when you're going down the highway, it basically drives itself. It is really, really cool that way. We're also going to have power seats. So to adjust these seats, it is now power. Let's take a quick look at that. You can get to the heated seats, and your power seats are there. It also has memory function, so it remembers where you like your seat. It's got the push button start with the wireless key fob, of course. You've got another nice pixel matrix display in the center here, center console. And just a very cool look to the steering wheel. Pretty much everything's going to be controllable on your steering wheel, from, you know, using your 10-inch display here, to setting your adaptive cruise control, to setting your active lane keeping assist, taking phone calls. And it does have an AI built in, so that's why it keeps trying to talk to me. Whenever you say Mercedes, it's going to try and figure out what you're trying to do, because you can actually have it control your air conditioning via voice control. You can have it adjust really anything on the vehicle you want, just via voice control, which is really, really cool. So very, very sophisticated chassis, very, very comfortable seats up here too. They've really upped their game in terms of luxury on these 2019 Mercedes chassis. They're absolutely gorgeous. They've got all the new safety features, and it really makes for a wonderful coach. So yeah, again, this is our Pleasure Way 2020 on a 2019 Mercedes chassis. And these are booking out quite a while. These do take quite a while to build from Pleasure Way, but we are always taking orders on these or any other Pleasure Way product. And again, my name is Josh. You can reach me here at 414-281-6330. And you can always check availability on our website, which is advancedcamping.com. If you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day.